Jace to find the keys to the car. This man loses everything. I must check the temperature. It's so cold. Why did I not wear a sweatshirt? 49. You found them? Where were they? I love, it's one of my favorite things to do, to mess with Jace in the morning when he's like clearly not awake yet and I'm up, because I think I'm more of a morning person than he is. Look how mad he looks.
What are you talking about? You talking bad in here? What'd you say? What'd you say?
I said, look how mad you look.
I'm not mad. I'm in a good mood.
Yeah, right. You were just yelling a minute ago.
No way.
Don't put on a show for the camera.
I'm not in a bad mood.
The lie detector determined that was a lie. You might be wondering where we're going.
I'm going to get my unlimited sip.
Jace has it. He's addicted to the unlimited sip lemonade. What is it? Charged lemonade?
Charged lemonades at Panera.
So off we go.
I go there every day. I walk in and they're like, welcome back.
I feel like I'm always filming in the same exact spot. We went to Panera Bread and then we stopped at Walmart to get some stuff to make Christmas cookies. My mom has put me on Christmas cookie duty today. Now, we went to Walmart and forgot that they don't take Apple Pay. Oh my god. Jace had like exactly $50 in cash, which we never have cash, so we're like, okay, we have to get all this stuff for under $50. Somehow we did it. We only spent, it came to $44.44. Flour, lots of flour. Baking soda, kosher salt, which they only sell in this big ass box. Okay. Cream of tartar, powdered sugar, like regular sugar, baking powder, a pistachio jello, 2 things of butter. Butter is so expensive. Like, they don't prepare you for how much butter costs. And I've noticed, like, since I've started eating dairy again, like, the type of butter you get matters. Like, they taste so drastically different to me. Maybe that's because I didn't have it for so long and now I can tell. Wow, this recipe, saffron, lemon, and white pepper compound butter, that sounds good. Anyways, I also got eggs. Eggs are another thing. The taste is so different from different eggs. I try to always get pasture raised egg. Look how pretty these are. They're blue and brown eggs. I got this cute little egg tray. I think I got this at Anthropology. So I will be putting these in here. It's like I was playing tic-tac-toe with eggs.
Let's play tic-tac-toe.
No, let's not. Okay, Jace and I really have to clean today. You boys want a blueberry? You want a cookie? Who wants a blueberry? Look at Ozzy, he loves them.
I know.
Look at him.
Little berry boy.
Look at him. Ozzy, you want blueberry? You want blueberry? Come here, Ozzy. He thinks you're gonna give it to him.
Give him one. Come here, boys.
Look at him, he's a fiend.
Hey, sit, sit.
Look, he's coming over here for... Ozzy. No, that's not a good boy. Can you sit? Sit, good boy. Look at him.
Like food or like eating?
Ozzy, he loves that blueberries. I've never seen him happier to eat something. His haircut, you want blueberry? I'm gonna give you one. Okay, but relax. You're so cute. Okay, time to clean. You got your list out?
I do. Okay, what are we gonna do first?
Well, why don't we try to just, like, we can tidy up a little bit. We both have stuff kind of all over out here that we could just put away. And then we'll get on our list. I'll be back soon. We've been cleaning for a while, but it's time to put on a new record. This is what we were listening to. But we just finished it, so now I'm gonna pick something else. What do you want to listen to? No help at all. Weezer, maybe? I would listen to the 1975, but I know it's not Jace's favorite. Rare. We have so many Weezer albums. Like, Weezer starts here. These are all Weezer. It's either Weezer or Reliant K. Let's see. Let's do Van Weezer. I didn't even look at what side I put on. Hopefully it's the right one. Is it? I just got done painting the rest of the Arlo Mars pants, and now it's time to tackle my office. This is where my brother and his family are gonna stay when we have like a little air mattress for them. And let me just, this is so humiliating, but like, and then like this was our Arlo Mars work desk, but we've made it such a mess that we can't even use it. So I've got to figure my life out right now. I guess that wasn't so hard. I just have all my paint up here, pretty much. The truly hard part is going to be the rest because I store most of my makeup in our bedroom in this closet thing that we built. I don't want to have to carry everything in there. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Can you imagine getting ready here? And I wonder why I have panic attacks. Like, I do it to myself. A lot of this is just like unpacking stuff from even our first shoot that I did. Or not just I did, but we did for Arlo Mars. I have like a ton of props. I'm just gonna put them on this table and then take them to my room. So much jewelry. Some earpods with the cord on them. Ray-Bans. This is the necklace I wore in the first Arlo Mars shoot. One box down. I have this box that I'm getting ready. Oh! I'm getting ready for a friend's mom, full of makeup, so I will keep filling that as I go. I feel like I should just strap a GoPro like onto my head while I clean so it can be like a satisfying video to watch, but I don't have that kind of time right now. I'm trying to figure out where I can put this unit box. It never ends. There's things everywhere. I have 2 pairs of these that I bought for our photo shoot. These are from Mugler. How do you say it? Mugler? Mugler? I don't know. Designer jeans. They're so cool. I don't know if you could tell this lighting's bad. Hold on. They're like the wraparound jeans, so they have this mesh through them and it wraps all the way down. They're so cool. I bought 2 sizes because I didn't know if any of the models would fit, and I was planning on returning the one that didn't fit, but apparently Farfetch has like the smallest return frame window ever, so I couldn't return them. So if anyone wants to buy them, I think I have a 27 and a 28, let me know. Kay called me and I got to talking while I finished cleaning the rest. I need to fix this rug. My desk is still a little bit messy. The NXT chair. I'm gonna finish this tomorrow morning. I put everything in here, which really needs to go in our room and be more organized. Nice outfit. You look real good. You good?
I'm tired if I'm being honest.
Jace can't take a little spring cleaning day.
I've been cleaning all day. You've been doing Arlo Mars all day.
I'm gonna explain this to you. No, don't walk away. I'm gonna explain this to you one more time. That was a chore for me.
Just seems a little convenient. What are you doing?
You know what seems convenient is you having a big old zit while you're trying to yell at me. So let's go look at the rest of the stuff that needs to be done. Just try to get a little attitude with me there. Huh? Yahweh. You have to do the stove.
I was gonna do that like on Saturday.
Okay, so we'll put Saturday.
Because we're gonna cook a bunch before then.
Okay, so then the only thing left to do today is the air filter and the Christmas lights.
Okay.
Is that doable
Aren't
for
we
you?
waiting for your lights to come in?
We're gonna decorate it and put the lights on that.
Oh.
It's just at the top.
We have.
Lenny. You're so cute.
Time too cold upstate. Got a lot of snow and they said it's cause the lake. I remember when I used to get a winter break. I'll be lucky if I even get off Christmas Day. Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Do elves make tickets to the Blink reunion? This year, yeah, I've done a lot of losing. Maybe this day won't get ruined. You and me could have a pop-punk Christmas. I could find my Punko's crunk CD. Wait, I think I mean Punko's Christmas. Punko's everything on my wish list. You and me could have a pop-punk Christmas. In fireside and state champs city. Reindeer don't play games in the mosh pit. It's a pop-punk Christmas.
That's pretty good.
Yeah? Do you know what
Absolute
flavor
best.
it is?
Is this pistache?
Mm-hmm.
This is just what I need right now.
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing.